You are standing in a concrete hallway that smells like bleach. Something you stopped noticing months ago. Your uniform still fits the same badge, same keys. But none of it means what it used to. T here is cash hidden in your locker, folded tight inside a lunchbox. No one checks. And every time you hear those keys jingle, you remember exactly what you traded them for. This is your story, and it starts with one small decision that slowly takes everything from you. 6 months ago, you were exactly what they wanted. Clean record, perfect evaluations, reliable under pressure. You believed in order, in rules. Your mother worked 2 jobs your whole life. She used to say stability matters more than anything. So you chose this job. Steady pay, benefit structure. But stability doesn't mean enough anymore. Your rent goes up. Groceries cost more. Your younger brother calls asking for help with tuition. Your bank account says no. Every time. You start doing the math late at night. Same numbers. Same outcome. It never works. That's when you meet Harris. The next day feels normal. Same inmates. Same routine. But something's different. It's like T here is a second version of your job. Invisible. You look at your coworkers differently. You wonder how many of them are like you. The answer scares you. Because you can't tell. You couldn't even tell about yourself. Harris gives it to you in a plain envelope. No words. You send your brother the money, he calls you. He's excited, grateful. Grateful you tell him you got overtime. He believes you. That's the worst part. It doesn't stop. It never does. 5 turns to 8. Now it's not just packages. Phones, drugs, messages moving in and out. You know exactly what you are enabling, but you are already deep. And the money keeps coming. T here is someone you didn't think about. His name is Cole. Your partner. 3 years working together. He trusts you, completely. He notices things. Small things. Patterns. Why certain areas go unchecked. Why logs don't match. He doesn't accuse you. He just asks questions. You answer smoothly. Too smoothly. He wants to believe you, so he does. For now, one night, everything scales up. Bigger job, more risk. You are coordinating it. You redirect staff, delay inspections, create a perfect window, but something goes wrong. An inspection team shows up early. Everything starts collapsing fast. Cole wasn't supposed to be there. He sees the gaps, the missing checks. He sees you. He asks one question. You don't answer. You can't. Internal investigation moves fast. Too fast. People start talking. Harris disappears. You are no longer a guard, just silence. You replay that moment. The break room. If you had said no, everything would be different.